Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do some straight pour, kind of, inspired by Gina DeLuca. If you didn't check her channel yet, please do. She does an amazing job. I will use these colors that she uses in some of her pours, maybe a little different, but she mixed them with satin enamel. Lately I just have regular Arteza paints today again, so this was violet, and this is self-mixed rose and ultramarine blue, and magenta, and cerulean blue, and this is mix of cerulean blue and lemon yellow, kind of green color, and cadmium yellow at the top. So let's begin. I put this violet on the back, so let's hope that we will get something beautiful out of this. We'll just turn around this jar. Oops. Oh, I didn't want this. Catch the drop. Just try to. So let's begin with tilting. Oops, not yet. To the other side. The back. To this side a little bit. And back. to this side. And I don't like this middle part. I should just pour it straight, not do this three-ring thing in the middle. So let's see what we can get. Of the edges and just a little bit of the edge here. And I will go this edge, not edge, a little. I will look for composition later. Now I just want to get I don't want to lose all this magenta. So our canvas is covered, and now we can see what we like and what we don't like. I think that I have too much purple here, so I will try to tilt this a little bit that way, just to tilt some of this purple off. and open a little more of this. I will try to tilt this off and not lose everything that I like. And back. I think that I have too much purple. And I have one drop of paint here. So I definitely should pour this middle part faster. Just pour it, not do these circles. But I don't know. I will just try to torch a little bit to maybe get something out. There is no silicone in these paints, in any of these paints, so I don't expect any cells, but maybe I just want to have something going on here around this purple. Maybe I can bring something out here, but I don't think so. So it is kind of interesting, but not exactly what I want. I really want to tilt this a little off, but I'm afraid that I will overstretch the other things. So I really don't know. Just one more try if I can get something out here. Is there anybody out there? Some little blue ones popping out, but nothing that I will be happy with. Just don't know, it is kind of interesting, but I'm not quite sure about it. I will definitely use this color combination again. Maybe I kind of like it this way because it's like an horse in here with this, how this is word for this. So I will leave it like this. I will just take you down for a close-up. Oops, sorry, I just stopped here. I think that it is interesting. You see this middle part, it reminds me on the horse in the middle of the galaxies somewhere, and these blue cells popping out. I like this part, but maybe too much purple. Next time I will try with this combination again, but with a little less purple. But I think it's interesting in some way. So, another pour that was not a flower. Yay! Good for me. I need a break from my flowers. I will do flowers again, but I just want to play with some other techniques too. So, this was it for today. Please share, like, subscribe if you didn't yet. Leave me a comment. Add me on your social medias. And see you on the next one. Bye!